So here is the wheel that I currently have on the 914. And while I have leg room, the only problem is right here. Trying to get into, sorry for the fingers, first gear. This is in neutral right now, I believe. No, it was in gear. That's neutral for me. So imagine my foot being on the gas pedal right there. And then every time I want to go to first, I got a little bit of a problem, right? Because then I got to do this. This is hitting here. This diameter wheel is not going to work. Let's see what the difference is with a smaller diameter wheel. So first of all, for any of you that aren't familiar with the stock wheel, how to get off the horn, don't try to pull this thing off. It's not going to come off. You must rotate it first that way, like that, to pull it off, which will expose a nut right here. That is bigger than what I have right here as a 22. Let's see if this 24 works. No, it's not a 24. It's bigger. Huh. How did I get this off before? So technically, it's a 27 millimeter, just so you know. So I'm going to attach my bar to it. The other thing I want to make sure of, I'm going to loosen it first, so it's going to move some, but make sure the wheel is exactly centered correctly, because when you put the new one on, this piece here that I purchased from Pelican Parts, you see it has a top. You want that top hole to be right on spot so that when you're driving it, you don't have any tilt. It's dead on center. It may take 1 or 2 tries to get this perfect, but we'll try it for now right here. So we're still pretty much centered out. Nut is off. There is the washer. And now we're just going to do a slight little tug so that we don't move it too much off its spline. And there goes the wheel. I love these simple cars. Now the only thing that I hate especially about the one I ordered from Pelican Parts is it doesn't have this little piece right here. When you don't have that piece, when you turn and you have your signal light on, I do have actually some German descent, so I am a very much stickler on rules, and using the signal lights, it doesn't cancel because that piece right there doesn't hit the stock there to return the signal light back properly. So I thought I ordered the right one. I wish Pelican Parts would have offered that particular style instead of the one we got. But we're going to do this for now because more importantly, we need some space for our knees. And we want to see what the look is. So now I'm going to take this here where it says top again. And I'm going to see if I can get this on the right spline. See, that seems like that's the wrong spline. That seems too far. I think that's about as good as we're going to get right there. That's the right spline, so you notice it is the right diameter. And let's get this wheel on. Alright, and so this is the after, okay? So if you notice, I can still see the gauges. Well, I'm a little taller, so it kind of looks like that. Some of that gets cut off because of the wheel, but that's normal. Feels very firm. The big question is the shifter. Now, if I pull in and go to first, see, I have a little bit more space besides being right up on that. And then it, of course, goes over, but it's just shifting into it that is a problem. All right, and then we go up, second, third, all the way over, fourth, and fifth. You always got to hit that click first for it to work properly, but let's look at the difference. Yeah, that's pretty significant. Also note, this is not the permanent wheel. This is a temporary, just to see the spacing and sizing, to order the right. I think I'm going to go with the wood steering wheel. Black spokes with the holes in it, we'll see, and a birchwood knob. But I want to test this out first.